to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of how 3D printing is transforming education. Across the globe, 3D printing has been making its mark in educational institutions. In these classrooms, students are not just learning theory, they're getting hands-on experience with 3D design and printing. This process allows students to turn their creative ideas into tangible objects, enhancing their understanding of spatial concepts and design principles. Schools are also incorporating 3D printing into their textbooks and teaching materials. Teachers are now able to provide more engaging and practical lessons, explaining the science and technology behind 3D printing. Moreover, 3D printing promotes teamwork and collaboration among students. This collaborative environment nurtures their creativity and communication skills, preparing them for the future workforce. At Xunjie, our advanced 3D printers offer high precision and reliability, suitable for both educational and professional use. If you're interested in bringing 3D printing to your school or institution, or if you have any questions about our products, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.